Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 65th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we're going to see how we can update data in a table in SQL using PHP. So I've got a script open up here, and the name of the script, as you can see, is update.php, and I'm still working with the student database in the script. And this script is very similar to the scripts that we've seen in the last tutorials. I've again just modified the SQL code here, so I'm straight away going to jump to it. So on line number 18, you can see I have created the SQL variable, and again, I didn't want to put the entire query on one line, so I've used the concatenation operator here. So the entire query is update student underscore info, which is the name of the table, and set name equal to James, where ID equals 3. So if you remember from the last tutorial, we created a row for Phil, and Phil had the ID 3. So let's say you got a message from someone saying that, well, actually the ID of Phil is something else, and the ID 3 belongs to James. So you would want to just change the name of Phil to James, and you would probably just want to use the same email address, or you might want to change the email address and the date of birth as well. But in this tutorial we're just going to see how we can change the name, and it's really simple. Once you understand this, you could change any value. You could put email here and put another value for James' email address. And next we're going to use the mysqli underscore query function to execute the query, and then the if statement, the else block, everything is the same. This is also the same. We're not just going to display the message query failed, but we're also going to show the error message that we get from MySQL in case this query has some issue with it, right? At the end, I have closed the function, obviously, sorry, closed the connection, and now let's execute the script. So the name is update.php. I'm going to go to my browser. Instead of insert, I'm going to execute update.php, and when I press the enter key, I see data updated successfully. So that's the message that I get. And when I get to this tab where I have my improved underscore fetch script executed, I'm going to refresh this to see whether the name for Phil changes or not. And when I refresh the page, I see that the name field for the person with ID 3 is now having the value James, and it no longer has the value Phil. So data was indeed updated successfully, and you could also update the email address. Well, let's do that actually. So let me change name here to email, and let's change this to James at gmail.com, and I'll save the file, and I'll go to my browser, and I'll refresh this. Oh, well, actually I'll have to refresh this script first. So data updated successfully, and when I refresh this, I see that the email address field also now has a new value, james at gmail.com. Right? So that's it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you guys had fun watching this one, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to see you soon. Till then, take care.